Back. So today I'm doing the Diff 2 Arrays on freeCodeCamp, and this is the intermediate algorithm scripting. So essentially for this one they want us to compare the two arrays that we're passing in and return a new array with any items found only in one or of the given two arrays, but not both. So in other words, return the symmetric difference of the two arrays. No, I can't talk today. So essentially we just want to look through both of the arrays and just check if any numbers are in either of them, or strings here, any of the values. And in this one, for example, because 4 is not in the other array, we just want to return, I think, just return 4 on its own. So yeah, this example here. Same with strings as well. So we've got a number of different strings being passed in, and the only one that's unique is pink wool, and that's actually on the first array here, so it doesn't matter which array it might be, you just want to return the difference between the two basically. So they've actually given us the new array and returning that, so that's great. So I think one of the ways that I found out how I guess you could do this is basically just do two for loops to loop through each one and just check the individual items, if it's included or not included, I guess, in the other array, and then if that's the case, push it to new array, and then you'd basically do the same for the second array, checking against the first. So let's just start that off. So we'll do let I equal 0 whilst I is less than array1 dot length. So we'll start with array1 to check through I++, and we'll open this up and we'll just do if. And sorry, I just need to, there we go, let I equal 0. So if array2 dot index of, so that's how we're going to check basically if the array1 at position I. So if this is in here, we're going to skip over it, but if it isn't, and we can do that by using the index of, and then if that equals -1, because index of returns -1 if this item is not found in this array. So if 1 is not found in here, it would return -1, but it doesn't because it is in the array, so it's in both of them. So it would just skip over and go to the next one. So it is 2 in this array, and the same again, and it's in 3, and then is 5, and that all is. So actually this if statement code, whatever I type in here, would never run, but of course we're then checking the other array against sort of array 1. So then it would pick up 4 in this case. That would return -1, and that would push it to the array. So how we can do this is would just be new array.push if it is -1, and we would push array1 at position I, okay, because that's what we're targeting there. So this basically searches through searches through first array, and then we want to searches through second array here. And actually I'm just going to copy and paste all of this logic because it's the same effectively. It's just a case of changing around array 1 with array 2, right? And we just need to do array1.index of, and I believe now if I hit enter, that should have run all the tests, and there we go, you can see that passes the challenge. So it's perhaps not the most efficient way because we are doing basically 2 for loops and we're going through each of the arrays sort of twice, I guess, effectively. So yeah, let me know if you sort of have a better solution, and maybe I'm going to try and come up with some others in a future video. But yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next one anyway. Thank you.